Hello, and welcome back to AgileScrum Mania, the place where we make Agile and Scrum real, practical, and a little bit fun. Today's topic is something every Agile leader, Scrum Master, and team member should pay attention to: the Agile Engagement Gap. We'll uncover why some Scrum teams lose energy over time, how ceremonies become routine, and most importantly, how gamification can reignite passion, boost collaboration, and make Scrum exciting again. Let's get started! Section 1. The Agile Engagement Gap. 045. Agile was built on collaboration, energy, and adaptability. But let's be honest, many teams today feel stuck in a pattern. Daily stand-ups that sound the same, sprint reviews that feel rushed, retrospectives that don't inspire real change. When Scrum turns into a checklist instead of a mindset, teams slowly disengage. This disengagement leads to burnout, reduced creativity, and low morale. Instead of inspect and adapt, teams end up just report and repeat. So, the big question is, how do we reignite passion and boost productivity in Agile teams? The answer might surprise you. Section 2. Why Gamify Your Scrum. 145. Enter the world of gamification, the art of applying game principles to non-game environments. Gamification works because it taps into our intrinsic motivation, our natural desire to achieve, to learn, and to have fun. Think about how games keep players hooked: points, levels, leaderboards, and recognition. Now imagine applying that energy to your Scrum process. Studies show that gamification can increase engagement by up to 48% in workplace teams. It builds a sense of healthy competition, strengthens ownership, and makes routine work feel more purposeful. Other industries, from education to fitness, have already embraced it. If gamification can help people learn languages or stay fit, it can certainly help us build better software together. In a Scrum context, gamification leads to better team morale, greater accountability, and higher velocity. Section 3. Practical Gamification for Scrum Ceremonies. 3M. Let's make it real with some practical examples. Daily stand-up. Try a sprint race. Each team member earns small points for daily progress updates. Create a bounty board where anyone who clears a blocker earns a bonus point. At the end of the sprint, celebrate the sprint champion. Sprint review. Turn it into a feature showcase. Let team members present their work creatively and vote on their favorite feature. Or run it like a dragon's den, where product owners or stakeholders act as friendly judges, giving instant feedback. Sprint retrospective. Try Retrospective Bingo, with fun squares like "We improved testing," "We helped another team," or "We resolved a blocker early." Or introduce a level-up system, where each resolved impediment gives the team XP, experience points, toward continuous improvement. Simple, fun, and full of energy. Section 4. Building your gamified Scrum framework. 445. Now, before you turn your Scrum board into an arcade, let's talk about doing it the right way. Start by choosing game elements that fit your team's culture. Some teams love points and badges. Others prefer recognition or story-based challenges. The key is, make it meaningful, not forced. Start small. Maybe gamify one ceremony, observe the reaction, and iterate from there. Get team buy-in. Let them shape the rules together. That's what makes it sustainable. And yes, measure the impact. Track engagement, velocity, and morale before and after introducing gamification. If done right, you'll see improvements in both energy and outcomes. Watch out for pitfalls, though. Don't let competition turn toxic or focus only on rewards. The goal is collaboration, not just winning. Section 5. Beyond the game. Sustaining engagement. 615. Gamification isn't a magic bullet. It's a tool to reignite interest and motivation. The real power comes from what follows: building a culture of continuous improvement where fun, trust, and learning coexist. As your team evolves, your game mechanics should evolve too. Change the challenges, refresh the rewards, and keep things exciting. In the end, it's not about points, it's about people. engaged people build better products. And gamification, when done thoughtfully, can remind us that work can be productive and enjoyable at the same time. So, what about your team? Have you tried gamifying your Scrum ceremonies? What worked and what didn't? Share your experiences and ideas in the comments. Let's keep learning and growing together as an Agile community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AgileScrum Mania. For more real-world insights, tips and practical ways to make Agile truly engaging. Thanks for watching. And remember, in Agile, progress isn't just about delivery. It's about passion, people and purpose.